In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust the payment capture settings in Shopify to suit your business needs. This is a crucial step that can help streamline your checkout process and ensure your payment operations run smoothly. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start at the heart of your online business, the Shopify dashboard. This is your control center, where all the magic happens. Once you're logged in and comfortable, locate the gear icon. You'll find this in the lower left of your dashboard screen. It's labeled as Settings. Clicking on this icon will open up a range of options that allow you to customize every aspect of your store's functionality. Now that you're in the Settings menu, direct your attention to the left side of the screen. Here you should see an option called Payments. Click on this to proceed. This section is pivotal as it manages how you accept and process transactions, a key component of your online store's operations. In the center of this Payments section, look for an area labeled Payment Capture Method. It's important to understand what each option here means for your workflow. You have a few choices. If you choose Automatically at Checkout, it will capture the payment as soon as a customer completes their purchase. This option offers the most immediate cash flow, which can be beneficial for many businesses, especially if you're looking to minimize administrative tasks. Alternatively, there's Automatically when the order is fulfilled. This lets you capture payment only when you've confirmed that the product is on its way to the customer. It can provide a layer of security and trust, ensuring that you're only charging your customers once their orders are actively being shipped. Finally, the Manually option gives you the most control by allowing you to capture payments at the exact moment you choose. This might be suitable if you're dealing with very customized orders or have unique verification processes in place. Once you've carefully considered and decided which payment capture method best aligns with your business needs, don't forget the crucial final step. You need to save your changes. Look towards the top of the screen and click the Save button. It might sound simple, but it's easy to overlook this step, and without it, all your customized settings won't take effect. And there you have it. You've successfully tailored your payment capture settings in Shopify to better suit your business model. Remember, these settings can always be adjusted again in the future if your needs change. Feel free to revisit this tutorial if you need a refresher. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful.